Session up at 77.25. Definitely calmed down a bit. DS is pushing out of the RTH upper band. Will it hold? I mean, you got to hope for a breakout of RTH value area high in order for that to happen. But
guys, I think I'm going to postpone recording module 8 of the VWAP Wave System course today. I don't think that today's the day.
You don't want your sickness to live in infamy?
No, I don't. I think I'm going to postpone that to next Thursday.
Yeah, get yourself better. What is your typical sick routine? Just muscle your way through it?
Usually I'm like a big rester. Like I want to do nothing when I'm sick.
Yeah.
I don't go out. I don't do anything. I stay home until I feel better. Hydrate, chicken soup. Replay old trades. Yeah. I try not to trade when I'm not feeling well. I'm in mostly trading evals right now. So not trading cash today. I'm sick. Not a good idea. Did have a great day yesterday. That was nice. Asia was also difficult again last night for me. Caught only like one good small trade.
Right there, value area high.
Still holding. If we can break through this level, we could go. Might take a couple attempts before that happens, though.
In 10 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, we see the release of the weekly EIA natural gas change. Forecast is for a build of 15 BCF on the prior build of 16 BCF.
Let's see. TBD on ES is really flat. It's a grind. Q's banging against value area high.
It looks like they're trying to push it through.
Knock on the door. Yeah.
I don't see a whole lot of absorption yet on NQ anyway. In fact, it looks like they're trying to push it through this level, is what I see. So unless I see sellers step in here. Oh, that was a big sell right there. Somebody dumped on it. Right there. So we'll go for the fade again. See if we can get some follow through. If not, that's all right. Right to the bottom of that range. Fades are still paying. So there it goes. Oh, that got bought up. That's why I got out of it so quick. Oh.
I'm sitting in it. I'm short at 594.
Still looking good. They're dumping on it hard right here. But they're trying to buy. There's a battle right here for sure.
Yeah. Sellers are hitting it.
Yep, they are. All right. So far, we got another
20
fade.
points.
We'll probably take it to 560 and then 540. It's a battle. They're trying to break out. Buyer stepped in with a vengeance there. Here it goes. So monthly VWAP is held.
Almost an equal high in the last swing.
Delta made a lower high there, where price made a higher high. But I don't think either side is done yet fighting for this level.
CNBC says the most recent inflation number was as expected. As yesterday, PCE inflation was as we were expecting.
Last
Now it is time
sucking in of the buyers.
inflation.
It's still short at 594, up 20 points.
Nice. It's a good price. 594. Dang, that's a really good price.
Yeah. Go.
Nope. It said nope. There's no reason to think this thing.
No, buyers just stepped way in on ES.
It's all right. I'm not convinced either way yet. It's still they're fighting back and forth. We have a micro distribution forming here.
Yep.
Lots of acceptance right here at the band. But where does the likelihood fall? Group. Is there a higher likelihood of a breakout or a higher likelihood of a rejection? That's right, rejection.
It has been persistent amid questions of how shocks will play out.
That's not to say it won't break out, but if we're playing probabilities, trying to play the breakout here is the lower probability outcome. If you really want good price discovery, you're going to wait for the breakout to accept out of value, which has not happened yet. I'll be right back.
Yep. Sellers are still leaning into this,
Fed's Amex says
but are they getting absorbed?
inflationary mindset.
Price is not moving. Here, little flurries of duckas on the tape. There's the tickas.
Fed's Amex's neutral monetary policy is something you know when you see it. Fed's Amex says I believe the neutral rate is on the higher side relative to other Fed officials.
Oh, here it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll start looking for. Looks like we could be getting a little bit of a value migration here, so looking long.
Very pivotal point on both at the same time. If I look left on ES, there was a rejection here at 29.75 back at 7:10 this morning. We'll see what they do. I mean, there's a lot of buying on CBD, so this could be the push to get through.
Buyers have to step back in. So long 611. It's kind of fading a bit. Room to add. This is the price discovery breakout. Nope. Yeah.
The EIA natural gas change.
Take off one.
Fed's Amex says markets are a good complement but not substitute for Fed. Fed's Amex says the Treasury has its own objectives and the Fed operates independently for its own goals.
Buyers aren't doing a very good
No, they're not doing a very good job.
job defending.
And we have an IB.
Build a 15
We got to get a Madonna.
BCF and expected.
Right
I'm
off the
long
bat.
at 604.
Amex has now concluded their interview on CNBC.
And it's not going well.
Do keep in mind Fed's Amex is due to appear again this afternoon at 1 p.m. Eastern Time with an interview on Fox.
Here it goes. Come on. Nope. Flat. Did not hold. Let's see if it holds here. We'll try
Point of
again.
control.
Rejected.
And we have posted out the weekly EIA natural gas storage reports on the feed for those interested.
Breakout failed again. Just to be clear, there is no PDC yet. These are what I'm taking our breakout trades. Likely to fail. I'm trying to grab the transition. There is no price discovery yet, just so everybody is clear.
Well, we've got a 5-minute composite low volume node there at the 562, 563. Just tap that. It lines up with the RTH upper band.
I do see
Back
that.
testing point of control
Yep.
on the 5-minute. Yeah.
And buyer stepped in there pretty aggressively as well.
Not so on ES.
Price discovery breakout, elevator trade, break, back test, long.
Iraqi and Saudi security
Failed.
delegations meet in Baghdad to coordinate border security and intelligence cooperation.
It was off the profile. At the time. Thought we saw a little bit of a value migration. It was starting, but it rejected. What did it look like?
Spokesperson of the Pakistani Ministry of Foreign Affairs says unilateral sanctions imposed by Washington against Tehran do not comply with international laws, and Pakistan believes that the issue should be resolved through dialogue. That was from Tasman News.
So I was thinking something like this.
Tasman News reports that Pakistan's foreign ministry spokesperson says US unilateral sanctions on Iran again violate international law.
It was not. It was a Madonna on ES, but not on. No, it's not. We have no Madonna yet.
No, neither of them had a Madonna.
Yeah, there's no Madonna.
No, I was saying that we would be waiting to see if it pushed back up. Maybe we would get a Madonna, but no dice. Got RSI 50 there at 560 as well.
So the initial
out at
balance was
monthly
established 3 minutes ago. Now we have a new initial balance. It has not been tested on either side yet. All right, this candle formed at the top of the initial balance, not test it.
US natural gas futures pay their gains, last up around 2.3%, following the EIA reporting the storage bill.
Yep, that's right, Merlin. This is pretty ugly price action, though. Fading is the better choice.
Back testing point of control again from the upside this time. Boo. Whack at it. They see a mole, they whack it. All right, so we did get a pop off of the RTH upper band. It's getting sold into. Who wins the battle? Buyers step back in on ES.
Did try the long one more time. Next cover is at 97 3/4, and then I'm going to try and hold a runner for the highs. Hopefully we can break out of this area.
Yes, stronger than NQ.
Nice. Still long.
Yes, going for monthly VWAP. It hit it. And it rejecting. The Madonna is in on ES. Pulling back.
I got my stop at break even on the remaining contract. Already covered one.
ISNA, also citing the Pakistani Foreign Ministry spokesperson, says Islamabad is not obligated to comply with the unilateral sanctions on Iran unless imposed by the United Nations.
What are they saying on FinJuice? More Pakistan stuff, Middle East stuff.
Mark,
Jackson Hole. Sorry,
Mark, look,
go ahead.
Yeah, look left. We're still in the overnight range. We have not left. We haven't even cleared these pre-market, even these lower pre-market highs yet. We have a lot of work to do for continuation. These are just scalps, right? We do have a distribution here, so I'm getting long at the bottom of it. Because the asymmetrical risk to reward is that we're holding right here until we break it, and then we'll continue to the downside, like what's happening now. This is a key level. This is the bottom side of the biggest acceptance area on the profile. So does look like sellers have decepted decisively here, though.
Yeah.
So if we break this, there we go. We can bring this right back to VWAP at 37.
I'm still short on my 594.
Nice. I got short again.
Peeled one off.
Now that
Well,
we're
now I
rejecting.
peeled one off, and my average is 601. Yes, broke through. Now it's back testing value area high from the session. And Q back testing RSI 50 here at 560. Not exactly an RTH RTV, but
I think it qualifies, especially since it held once.
yeah.
So we did clear the highs right here. We came down, we held, no follow through, return to value.
Back testing that composite low volume node at 560 on the 5-minute.
Locker.
Did not touch VWAP.
We'd love to have you on the cruise, JP. We got a lot of people coming. Chuck's going to be there. Mustafa's going to be there. Michael's going to be there. We got a lot of the team. A bunch of IC members are going to be there. It's going to be great fun.
Yeah, that'd be great to hang out with JP.
We're going to be getting together in the mornings. We're going to be trading in the library card room area in the evenings for Asia. Pool, lunches, dinners. We're going to have a slot machine competition. Slot machine competition in the casino. Well, I'll put like $50 and see who can turn it into a substantial amount of money. I turned $100 into $200 in the casino. I doubled my money. Except my wife lost 60, so I really only made $40.
Right.
Not a big gambler in the casino, guys. If you couldn't tell.
I could tell. Yes, still looking stronger than NQ. Well, NQ way down. Yes, there we go. There's the push. Come on, let's tag that VWAP.
I'm still looking to
Since
get short.
Since we're returning to value, maybe I'll move that target from 37 to 29.
I'm short again.
Looking to see if we can push through this VWAP. We reacted short of it.
Yeah, I got reshorted. But I'm playing it real. I keep putting my stop to break even. Keep getting tagged out. I'm trying to catch the move. Here we go.
Touch the line.
Can we break the line?
Sellers are hitting it.
Hit it. Hit it.
Buyers are fighting back. They're just going to be a whack-a-mole here. Boom.
Tagged out.
Tick is on the tape.
Again.
ES is holding value area high. To me, it feels heavy.
Back in. Got a better price this time. Short of 57. Probably just going to start scalping this because it is very choppy instead of keeping a look for the bigger move. But there it goes. Yeah. Keep waiting for things to break and they don't break and I get tagged out break even. Like it's about to happen again.
Pop.
Yep. Could have just taken profits again there, but I'd have $1,000 in scalps if I would just take the scalp. Playing games is what I'm doing.
Session point of control was holding. Its line's right up on VWAP.
One more try. It's my last try.
Yeah, let's go this time. Another tap off of confirmation tool, RSI 50. Point of control for ES is up at 727.25. The big bars on CBD have all been red. We'll see. This is the battle zone. This is the trenches. Both armies are dug in.
Welcome to the jungle. We've got fun and game. There we go. Ba-boom. Keep going.
Come on. Tab it. Tab it. Come on now.
Unbelievable. Scalper's market, guys. If you're not scalping, I'm done with this thing. I'm done with it. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Still holding my short. Yes, it's below point of control now. Not for long. Just as I had to open my big mouth. There it goes. Looks like we got buying activity now. Back testing the 560 again. That composite low volume node has definitely disappeared.
And that's why I kept stopping out at break even. That's what I was afraid of. So if anybody was wondering what I was doing, scalping balance based on the VWAP Wave System principles. If we can't break out of value area high, where are we going to go? We're going to go to the VWAP, right? The point of control. If we can break past the point of control, where are we going to go? The VWAP. We're going to go to the lower band, which didn't happen. If we can't get by the VWAP or the point of control, where are we going to go? The upper band, right? That's all it is. Rotational balance scalping based on the VWAP wave system principles. That's where the VWAP scalp comes from. Fade value or extremes. Well, that's too bad. That was impressive, Sam. Is there one more short in here?
Oh, it's at value area high now. Yes, is above monthly VWAP though.
I'm dying over here. Our quick short scalp there. Another fade. 10, 20 points at a time. Another good scalp. Anybody grab another short? Fade value area extreme again. Right at the value area high.
And we have liftoff. Not to the overnight high yet. That's all the way up at 77.41.25 on ES.
We can say ES is stronger price action wise, but the NASDAQ's up a full percentage point, whereas ES is only up half a percentage point.
Percentage wise, for sure. Injected again. Value area high.
Starting to feel like yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
My IC4 members are going to probably hate me right now.
Yep.
IC4
Still
members,
short.
if you hate me, drop a H in the chat. Nothing but love. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate it. I want to see you guys clean up on fades next week. Luckily, this week's almost over. All the good price discovery was overnight. That sometimes happens.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Hopefully the market doesn't rip on a trend next week. For the simple fact that it's fade week. ES holding IBI.
It's been 5 minutes time now at the top of the hour. It's either release the Kansas City Fed Composite Index, forecast 10 on the prior 9, manufacturing prior 17.
Sitting on the point of control.
I think Bill wants his cake and eat it too. He wants LECs and price discovery week and fade value or extreme week.
Yeah, that's a big red X.
We got to put it into one or the other. It can't be in both though. This time we put it in price discovery week. So you have to wait for price discovery to take the LEC entry. That doesn't mean
still short from. Go ahead.
You can't see micro distributions form outside of value that will scalp. So
yeah,
it's going to be a bit of a gray area. Trading is full of gray areas, guys. For my engineers in the group, I know you guys hate that, but it's true.
Now the creative engineers, we can come up with almost anything.
Okay, that works for me. I'm cool with that.
Interesting, Derek.
The problem is if the only tool you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail.
Yeah. we have a lot of IT folks.
And engineers.
Yeah.
IT and engineers tend to make up the most popular profession in this group, guys. Fun fact. Yeah, we got a lot of biz owners for sure. There are a few marketers. We have a couple of attorneys. We have some doctors. Everything in between. We have our hardworking folk. Those that work with their hands. We do have a few ex-cops, Joe. That's for sure.
Yeah.
And fire.
Active too.
Active fire.
We have people fighting fires in Texas right now.
Yep. Lots of retired military, and thank you to all our veterans for their service. Absolutely. Carl's a serial entrepreneur. I can relate. Hey, Sunray, Disabled Kids Care. Well, that sounds like a wonderful service. A photographer. Very cool. Yeah, it's a wild world we live in, Sunray, where some of the most important jobs are the ones that pay the least, like teachers. Thanks, Brandy. Chemical engineer. Ah. Yes, doctors have some of the best salaries in the United States, Elijah. It also costs somebody hundreds of thousands of dollars to become a doctor and many, many, many years of practice. So they definitely put their time in and costs. So that's why they make so much.
That was a PDC off of upper band on ES. Anybody take that? Steve took it. Jason took it. Jing took it.
I'd still consider this a bit of a breakout trade still. Good, though. Absolutely valid. You Inner Circle guys, take that one because there was your first PDC. Well, the big difference, how we trade a breakout, is we do wait for the break, somewhat of an acceptance by distance first. So we'll look through for a big conviction candle to break through, and then generally the back test, follow through. So we don't just buy because it crosses the line, right? A little bit of a different entry model. Chuck, you said no? Penny said you said no.
About what?
I don't know. This trade, maybe?
No, I didn't say no. I'm saying that was a price discovery continuation
Oh boy,
right there.
we have a little bit of a It's pouring here again.
Pouring rain.
Yeah, pouring rain, storming. But ever since I got my fiber, I haven't had any issues, have I? Best thing I ever got. Get rid of Xfinity.
We were waiting for you to get it.
Yeah, I know. So, Trayson, it's not it's the beginning of a transition, right? It's not full price discovery on all time frames, right? So if we're still in the overnight range, right? It's starting. It's a trade that can be taken. Does everything check the boxes? No. Does it have every single thing working for it? The answer is no. Is it a valid trade that can be taken with slightly lower probabilities? Yes. YM just had a price discovery breakout. Anybody watching YM? And Q is the laggard. Looks like it's getting ready to break out, though, doesn't it? Here comes the Madonna. No follow through on the Dow. Q hasn't quite taken it yet.
No, CVD is making lower bounces, lower bounces. There's the Madonna.
Here it is.
Buyer stepped in on NQ.
Just looking for the scalp. Scalpacito. Look at that.
There's
Ba-boom.
on ES.
There is your Madonna, ladies and gentlemen. Who grabbed it? She was a beauty. I took it with a mini and covered it quickly for a quick $300. It could very well just grind through it. ES is still strong. It is having a little bit of a rejection here. Oh, it touched the line all right.
Top of that big distribution.
Big, beautiful distribution.
Yep. Gotta love it.
I got this fancy new mouse. Logitech
Oh, yeah?
MX. It's got a left to right thumb wheel. It's got an up down thumb wheel. Finger
You mean
wheel.
like this one?
Yeah. It's nice. That's exactly it. Yeah. I love it. The haptic responsive menu.
Mm-hmm.
Super cool.
You can program the buttons. I haven't switched from Stream Deck to thumb buttons yet, though. You can literally have a buy, sell, so front, back, and then the bottom button press.
Yeah.
That'd be the oh shit button.
Nick, we're going to call it the distribution of America. I name this distribution the distribution of America. Big, beautiful distribution. There'll never be another distribution like it. What are we distributing? I guess is the question. Can we do that? Can we just call the Lake of Ontario the lake? I mean, if you look at Google, I don't know how he pulled this one off, but there it is.
I think probably a threat for tariffs on Google Ads.
Yeah. Exactly, Carl. I'm with you on that one. Yeah. Looks like we can grind from here. Bitcoin's back above 80,000. We going to 90,000? I bought Bitcoin at 62,000. My position is up almost $20,000. Well, I bought Bitcoin back then too. I sold it long since then. But my current position in Bitcoin, I bought it a lot less than 8,000 too back then. If I only knew it was going to 100,000, I would have held it. I think we'll be back up there sooner or later, Francis. I don't think we're gonna not see all-time highs in Bitcoin again. Yeah, Hannah, I'm
ES
not
just
agreeing
can't.
with it.
ES just can't tap 7740, can it? Not yet, anyway.
Hannah, we are politically agnostic here. We don't take any sides. And we are best of friends with Canadians here. So everything you see on the news does not apply to us. We love our Canadian members and our Canadian neighbors.
But we are smart enough to be able to, I mean, we can be sarcastic about both sides.
We can, Jake. We do
And
make
not-
jokes.
German jokes. We got Chop City. All those sellers that stepped in on NQ didn't got eaten up. And the CBD that keeps going down, down, down on ES. Is it just profit taking? Keep buying more.
Okay. Starting to feel like a breakout here again. They're buying.
There's 40.
Bitcoin's rocketing here too. Okay, guys, we're going to wrap up here. I'm going to go rest because
Yeah.
I feel not good. Chuck's going to, Inner Circle, Chuck's going to handle market recap for me. I'm not doing, I'm not going to do group coaching today because it's just too much. And I do want to record that module 8. So we're going to push that to next week. Outside of that, I appreciate everybody's support. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow or the next day or two. What am I missing, Chuck? We got the recap at 4:30.
Recap at 4:30. That's about it for premium today.
Okay.
No group coaching. You're not even showing up for Q&A, right?
No, I'm gonna go rest. I'm gonna lay down for a little while. So I appreciate.
I think we all understand.
Yep, I appreciate everybody's support. Sorry, I don't usually miss classes or cancel classes, but today I'm gonna make an exception because I feel pretty terrible. But I'm happy I showed up for the stream, and hopefully you guys grabbed some good trades today. I think we did get some good scalps and good fades. Nothing crazy, I think today was a hit and run market. We didn't get a whole lot of directional plays. So scalping was the name of the game today. If you can hit good locations, you probably did okay. So thanks for all your support, guys. Hope you have a great day trading. If you want to head on over to the trading lounges and trading rooms, you can share your screens, share your mics, collaborate with each other. And Chuck, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Chris. We appreciate you for soldiering on when you don't feel so well. We hope you feel better real soon.
Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Have a wonderful day, everybody. See everybody tomorrow.